So, welcome. I would like to explain a little bit of what went wrong with this ZBC cube, because failure is a great way to learn something. So let's do that, and I'll walk you through what I think happened, and maybe I'll be right, maybe I'll be wrong, but let's see. The first thing about this is it's clear to me, especially here on the B, you can see there's like small cavities in, it's hard to see, here, and it's like lower, and that is probably because of my z-axis is not rigid enough and will like tilt a little bit. I just made an illustration here. You can see here that this is the z-axis on the individual machine, and then if it like tilts like this, then it will make grooves that are like lower on the one side than on the other. So maybe like this, you can see. So that's wrong of the reason. So that makes it clear to me that I need to make it stiffer. So I already ordered parts to make the z-axis again with aluminium plate that I'll cut myself on the machine, so I can replace it after I made all that and assemble most of it off machine. So oops. Good. Then there's another problem, and it's very clear on most of the sides. You can see, I know if you can see it here. Yeah, you can see like here it's rough, and it's like all the way around it's rough there. And this is cut like this from the top. What I think happened, and I have measured, this is the inhale I used. When it goes here, it's fine, but then when we get down under here, you can actually feel it rubbing here. I assumed it was 6 millimeters all the way, but it's not. The shank here, part here, is just shy of 6 millimeters, and this is even less. So it's like maybe 593, and this is 597. And when it comes down here, well, of course it's gonna like deflect and rub all the way around here. How I'm gonna fix that? Well, you can get some end mills that are like reduced shank size, I think it's called. This is a over exaggeration, but and then it will be only this side here that cuts. So I'm gonna see if I can get some of those on, yeah. So and see, because that's really the need for it, because I have to cut down under here, like 1 millimeter under, to free it from the brick it's under. As you can see here, it's this one here. It's cut down here and then under size, and then the bigger block is turned around. And that's the next problem. Move that. This is, I think it's, let's see, yeah, this side, it should be 30 millimeters. It's not. This one is 30, then it's, that one, and this is 29, I think, yeah. And this is because this is the bottom side. It's been cut like this. Whoops, sorry. It's been cut like this. And then I haven't. It's hard to measure down because I had taken the part off and measured that, and then cut it down in increments of, I think, 1 millimeter or something. And then I had to, like, it's getting less and less to measure on, and that's a bad thing. I should have measured from the bottom and said, okay, this is my 0, and then cut to plus 30. So that I can do next time. That'll work. I just have to calculate it better from the get-go and set the 0 point down here. So that's the learning experience right there. What did I miss? Yeah. I think that's most of the things I can get from this. As you can see, the most pronounced is all these ridges here, maybe even, yeah, this is way worse. This is as best I can remember the top surface where I faced it, and as you can see, it's very it's a lot of offset here top, and that's just an unrigid x-axis, so it's tilting all the time, so it's like inside and when it goes over, it comes here, and then tilts like that. Take it to the side. This is way over exaggerated, but then it comes down, and then it's like then up, and here maybe it pulls against the motor, and then it's better. The other way is bad. So learning experience there, but I really like the tube anyway, and the surface here is glass bead, like a cabin with sand in, and then well, glass, and yeah. So that's that. I kind of like it anyway. I know there's a lot of mistakes, but in the end, it's something I created in my mind, and I now sit with it in my hand, and that never gets old. Bye.